UFC 16597, let's do this thing. Good luck to all. All right, leads Usman, Poirier. Dustin Poirier for the lightweights, auto. Silva, Kamaru, Usman. None yet, but they're not guaranteed, so I wouldn't go in chasing one. Okay, it's this way, yep. Aldana, Battle, Brady, Spacer, Global Icons, Adesanya, Tricolour, Leon Edwards. Erosa, Hall, Nicolau, Rodriguez. Purple, Kyla Phillips. Castaneda, Elliot, Jamal Hill, Shevchenko. Red, Cody Durden. Number 2, 149. Oh, we're going to Cherry Court about it. Curtis, Bo Nickel, courtside, nice. Islam, Silva, Benil Dariush. Sandhagen, Rodriguez, Rosas. Billy Quarantillo, Silva. No, you can't call people to Cherry Court. You never apply in there. Red, Rafael Fiziev to 175. Figueredo, Makhachev, Muhammad. Jake Matthews, tricolour. He'll be in store this weekend. McGregor, Mershat, Yajin Down, Paddy Pimblett. Cyril Gahn, tricolour, to 249. Tie-dye coming out, Number Yunus, Holly Holm. Pani Kianzad for the bantamweights, tie-dye, 21 and 25. Jeff, Paul Costa, Pereira. Tricolour, Norman Dumont. Stipe, Holloway, Brunson. Auto, Calvin Kattar, silver for the featherweights. Silver, Dustin Poirier. Oh, really? Brock Lesnar, Josh Emmett, Colby Covington. Silver, John Jones, and that is UFC 16597.